Hey there, this is Cam here at Island GM here in beautiful Duncan, British Columbia, Canada. And today I have a video review of the recently landed 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. Let's go take a look at some features, shall we? It has 78,639 kilometers on it, with your Bluetooth and cruise control, automatic headlights, powered locks, side mirrors, and windows too. Got a little compartment up here. Your radio, power locks here as well, power child door locks for the rear. You got your climate control with air conditioning, CD player. It's an automatic with active eco mode, USB and auxiliary port, that little white thing right over there. Let's take a look at the back. Seating for 5 passengers. 12-volt plug in the back, drop down cup holders. Here's your trunk with a rear 12-volt plug in. Check you all out later.